So, I tried on a shirt that I haven't ever tried on because it was way too small. It was gifted to me like 5-6 years ago. So it's been in the back of my closet. And I thought that little tiny thing will never fit me. And I just pulled it out and went, just for shits and giggles. Let's try it on, see if it fits. Look at this. I can't turn my camera around. I don't know how, but I'm in the mirror. Look, it's a fancy shirt. I mean, it's got wings. It's got wings. It's got ruffles. It's really cute. You know, I tried it on. It fit me. It fits. If it wasn't for that belly that I'm working on getting removed, that loose skin removed, but it's a shirt that I never thought would fit me.